This video is sponsored by AppMaker. Hey everyone, welcome back to Educate WordPress, where we talk everything about WordPress. And today we're going to see how we can add downloadable content to our WordPress website. Now there will be two sections in this video. Firstly, I'm going to add a downloadable content that does not require a purchase. For example, you have a portfolio website and you want to add a cover letter or a resume itself as a downloadable content. We will do that with Elementor. And in the second part, we're going to add an ebook that can be downloaded after purchase. Now let's get started. We're going to add the media, that is our PDF. Click on Add New and select the appropriate PDF. As you can see, our PDF has been uploaded. Let's head over to our website. Let's say I want to add it in the About section. Click on Edit with Elementor. We're going to add a heading. Now if you don't know Elementor, don't worry. There's an Elementor series coming up soon on our channel. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Now for the link, we'll head over to our dashboard once again. Go to Media. Click on the PDF and copy this file URL and add a button. We're going to add the link we copied and click on Update. Now let's check our page. As you can see, the cover letter has been added and it is redirected into the downloaded PDF. Here's the download button. Now let's talk a bit about our sponsor. This video is sponsored by AppMaker. AppMaker is a WordPress plugin that converts WooCommerce websites to mobile apps. The mobile app builder helps you create native Android and iOS applications. Get 30% off by being first 200 sign up. Get the link in the description. Now we're back and let's try adding a product that can be downloaded. For example, an ebook. We're going to Products, Add New. We're going to name our product. And make sure to click on this downloadable box. Set the price. Click on Add Downloadable File. And paste the file URL. We're going to limit the download limit to 1. And if you want to set the download expiry, you can do that as well. and let's click on publish. Now let's go to our website. Click on add to cart. Let's proceed to checkout. And click on place order after filling out the details. And as you can see, you can download the ebook from here. And as you can see, the PDF has been downloaded. Now that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Like if you find this video useful and subscribe. Thank you.